Yeah, it's your boy Alldayoj, man. Here with the EOC and Lil C Dre. Y'all know how we do it. We just having fun, man. Throw y'all something, man. I'ma fuck with y'all for a minute. Once I was still the motivation. Fuck with me.
Press the button like it's nothing. Watch it heat up like it's nothing. Like you press the oven on, baby. You hear that sound that's going down. You rush, you almost hit the ground. Cause you starving and you just can't wait. That microwave, watch me work that microwave. Press the button like it's nothing on that microwave. That microwave, watch me work that microwave. Press the button like it's nothing on that microwave. I do what I want, I can't help it, baby. Press the button like it's nothing, it's whipping like crazy. The aroma got me feeling some type of way. Yeah, I spread the plate. Give a fuck what a hater say. I whip it up, man, that microwave. That microwave, watch me work that microwave. I don't give a fuck what a hater say. And I'm just having fun. Alldayoj, man, you know FI Trick Kings, man. Shout out to the EOC, shout out to the world, shout out to you, man. Thank y'all for listening, man. 151 still the motivation. New shit on the way. I fuck with y'all if you fuck with me. Alldayoj, FI Trick Kings. Follow me at Alldayoj, ALLDAYOJ. Also on Facebook too, you know how we do it, man. Yeah. Squad. West side. Yeah.
Right now. Right now. Yaga!